Friends, today we are going to talk about some of the equations which are based on the distance time relation, displacement equation. Okay, when it is related with the time. So here, one of the question which I have given here, the displacement of a particle is given by x is equal to t minus 2 whole square. That means displacement is to be represented by x and that is varying with time. So the relation of displacement and time is given x is equal to t minus 2 whole square, where x is in meter and t is in second. Keep it in mind, this is displacement equation. Okay, so x is in meter and t is in second. The distance covered by the particle in first 4 seconds. We want to find out distance covered by the particle. Okay, so how to get the solution first of all? So first of all, we are just having the equation x is equal to t minus 2 whole square. If I simplify this can be written as t square minus 2t plus 4. Okay, simple. When you solve this t minus 2 whole square, you can get t square minus 2t plus 4. So distance, time. Now when you differentiate this displacement equation with respect to time, definitely you will get velocity. So let's obtain velocity. So velocity v is equal to dx by dt. You people know that. So that is d dt of t square minus 2t plus 4, right? Which is nothing but t square, differentiation of t square, that is 2t. Again, minus 2 into t to the power 0. So what will get? 2 only, plus 0. 4 is a constant number, so differentiation is 0. That means we are getting v equal to 2t minus 2. Now, this equation is very important. This is what velocity expression. Velocity is varying with time. Okay, we just want to obtain distance covered by the particle in first 4 seconds. Now, distance is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Now, how do we get velocity, distance from velocity? So here, it is very easy. When you plot the graph of velocity against time, definitely you will get displacement. But if you plot the graph of speed against time, you will get speed, right? So speed you can obtain, right? Speed against time, when you plot the graph, the area of the graph will give you distance. So first of all, let us find out the speed with time. So if you substitute t equal to 0, here let us say t equal to 0. So when you substitute t equal to 0, magnitude of velocity, okay, that is speed. So v is equal to what we get? 2 into 0 minus 2. Okay, that means it will be 0 minus 2, but in modulus. So definitely we will get that is equal to 2 meter per second, right? Again, when you substitute t equal to 2, why I am taking even number? So that you people can easily get the magnitude. Okay, otherwise you can take 1 2 3 minus 1 also you can take. Okay, no worry in that, but here for convenience we are getting easy number. So t equal to 2, t equal to 2, when you substitute, what will get? V equal to 2 into 2 in modulus t, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, that is 4, minus 2, which is equal to 2 meter per second, right? Now when you substitute t equal to 4, what will get? Magnitude of velocity, that is speed equal to 4 to the 8 minus 2, that is 6, right? T equal to 4. Yeah, even if you substitute minus 2. So minus 2, if I take t equal to minus 2, what will you get? Minus 2 into 2, that is, what will get? 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, right? That is equal to minus 6. But when you take out, it will be minus 6 become plus 6 meter per second. So here we are having This is the data. Now when we plot the graph of speed against time, that is V against time, when you plot the graph of V against time. Okay, so here this is what the time scale, this is 0, this is, let's say, 2, this is -2, right? Again, if you want to plot, you people can get, but 4 second na. Here just see, -2 की जगह पे हम 4 ले ले तो अच्छा रहेगा, because we just want to find out first 4 second, the particle covered, the distance covered by the particle in first 4 second, yeah, in 4 second. So when you take t equal to 4, so there will be no negative scale, time scale. Okay, so v t equal to 4, what will get? 4 to the 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6 only. So here what will I get? T equal to 4, 4 to the 8 minus 2, 6 meter per second. So here when we plot the graph of speed against time, now how to plot when t equal to 0? T equal to 0, that means here what is the velocity? Velocity equal to 2 meter per second. So velocity is varying 2, 2 and 6. So here if I say 0, 2, 4, 6, this way we can get, right? So when you substitute t equal to 0, what is the point? Here we are getting, right? Now when you substitute t equal to 2, at t equal to 2, what is the value of? Okay, here we are getting this point, and at t equal to 4 second we are having this point. Okay, so when you join the graph, it will be like, so how do we get the distance? Distance is nothing but the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part, that means, suppose if I say this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D, okay, E and F. So here we have two different shapes. One is rectangular and second is triangle, right? So area definitely will gives you displacement, distance. See, one thing you people have to keep it in mind, the area of the speed against time gives you distance, whereas velocity against time will give you displacement. So in place of here distance की जगह पे displacement होता है, you have to plot the graph of velocity, and for that you just use t equal to 0 and whatever velocity may be positive or negative. So no need to find out the modulus value. But here the question is very clear, distance we have to find out. So now here distance covered in 4 seconds, that is area shaded of this 4 seconds. So distance is equal to, what we can say, area of triangle BCD plus area of rectangular, which rectangular? ADEF, ADEF. Now which is very easy to calculate, half. Area of triangle is half base into height. So base into height, half base is what? B to D. Now B to D is what? 4 minus 2, that is 2, right? And height is what? D to C. Don't get confused. Here we are finding out the triangle BCD, area of triangle. So C to D, that is 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4, right? So this is first term, area of the triangle, plus what will have? Area of rectangular, that is AD into DE. Now AD is what? AD is 4 minus 0, that is 4 into side Okay, length into breadth. So DE मतलब 2 minus 0, that is 2, right? So second term is this one. So now 2 to get cancel out, what will get? 4. 4 plus 4 to the 8. 8. That means distance covered will be 12 meter in first 4 seconds. So answer is what? 12 meter, which is to be find out in this manner, right? So this type of questions is to be asked in competitive exam. So just remember the concept, how do we get the solution of this type of question.